Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to combine text and images in Canva to make eye-catching designs, especially if you want to create gorgeous typography where the text really interacts with the image, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to blend text and image, using a snow-themed design as our example. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to combine elements in Canva, but how to make your text and graphics work together in a way that grabs attention and tells a story. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva.com and log in. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's super user-friendly. Once you're in, look up at the top right for the big Create a Design button. Give it a click. The great thing about Canva is you can set up your design exactly how you want, so for this tutorial, we're using a custom canvas size. In the settings, enter 100 by 100 pixels. It's a small space, but perfect for focusing on the technique. Hit Create New Design, and your blank canvas will open up. Next, let's add some text. Click on the text tool and type out the word snow. All caps tends to look really bold and graphic, which works great for this look. Choose a font that feels wintry, something bold and simple will let the effect shine. Change the color of your text to white. This is important because we want that snowy feel, and white text will stand out beautifully against a dark background. Speaking of backgrounds, let's add one now. Click somewhere outside your text, then go over to the background tool and set your background color to black. You'll instantly see why white on black gives a striking high contrast effect, making the text pop. It's like looking at fresh snow at night. Now it's time to bring in our imagery. In the Elements tab, search for a tree. Something simple like a silhouette of a pine or fir tree works really well for this effect. Once you add the tree to your canvas, click on it, then hit Edit and look for the filter settings. Choose Noir to turn it into a dramatic black and white image. The Noir filter helps your tree element blend more seamlessly with the black background and white text, unifying the whole design. Here's the fun, creative part. Try to blend the tree image into the text so it looks like the tree is interacting with the word snow. You might place the tree so it grows up from the base of a letter or nestle it among the letters. It's like crafting a little landscape inside your typography. When you're happy with one tree, let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Now you've got a second tree to play with. Perhaps put it on the other side of your text or tuck it behind another letter for depth. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes adjusting the size or rotation of a tree can make it fit perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the composition, you want to select everything. Click and drag to highlight all your design elements, or use Ctrl+X to cut them. This step helps you regroup or reposition them as one unit if you need to, and it just makes everything a bit tidier. For some finishing touches, jump back into the Elements tab and look for a snow tree image or just some snowflakes to sprinkle over the design. Adding these final wintry elements really drives home the theme and ties everything together. And that's really it. In just a few minutes, you've created a dynamic, visually engaging piece of typography in Canva by combining text and images in a way that tells a story. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back. Sometimes the little details make all the difference, and don't worry if your first attempt takes a bit of fiddling. The fun part is experimenting and making it your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment down below if you have any questions or if there are other Canva tricks you want to see next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.